Hello guys, my name is Skanda and today I'm going to show you how to make a cool paper airplane. So all you're going to need is one rectangular sheet of paper. It can be any size and any color. So first, let's fold it in half like this. Let's unfold it, and then let's fold the top two corners up to this center line, like this. And then you need to watch at this closely. So first, let's fold it like this. Let's do the same for the other side. And then after that, let's fold it in half, the reverse side. It might take a little time. So, and then once you folded it like this, let's fold it like this. Let's do the same for the other side. And then after that, you got your paper airplane. So, thank you for watching my video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you again.